First you take the mounting fitter and you screw it into the top of the stanchion cap, or the universal magic mount, or the 4-inch J-box mount. Second step is you take the fixture and you thread the wires inside of the mounting fitter, and then you tighten the set screw on the knuckle of the NV flood. Tighten it loosely so that you're still able to swivel it left to right to find your target. Once you've found your target, then tighten it securely. Now you can adjust the tilt angle of your NV flood to hit the perfect target. Installation complete.